What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And today is our weekly candle video. And what that means, if some of you don't know, crypto never closes. It is a 24-hour a day monetary system. But they do have these things called candles on the charts. And every week they have a weekly candle from that previous week that shows all of the volume of crypto and the price of the crypto that week. So what we are looking at today is the weekly candle close for the internet computer. So this was a very crucial candle close right here, and it has been when we look back the last month, keeping that $6 level was a very crucial level. And you saw once we finally broke it, we ended up coming all the way down to about that $4.64 level, just tapping that all-time low. So we are in the bear market, and that's okay. If we were tapping an all-time low in a bull market, then we'd be worried. It's called accumulation. Okay, so before we start the video today, I want to shout out BitBoy Crypto. He hasn't really given the thumbs up for ICP, but he did make a big argument pointing out the manipulation that happened when FTX decided to list ICP futures when there wasn't ICP out there as a what did they call it? A kind of like a clone asset. They sold like a cloned version of ICP. And so he talked about that, and I guess it affected Axie Infinity as well. So that is probably going to be, a topic that a lot of people are going to be talking about now. Who knows what BitBoy's position is going to be on the internet computer. I heard in one of his videos he said he was going to research it. So that's what happened with me. I researched internet computer because at first, honestly, I'm like, internet computer, what is that? And it came out just crazy high, and I just kind of stayed away from it at first, honestly. For the first like 3-4 months, I kind of just stayed away from it. It wasn't because I didn't like it. I didn't know about it. I had so many other cryptos that I was dealing with at the time. I didn't know about the internet computer. And then when I heard about it, I was like, oh, there might be a good buying opportunity. And then I started like researching it, because if I buy something, I research. And then that's when I found out, exactly what it is and what it does. And with this Bitcoin integration coming up, and the Ethereum integration, and Vitalik Buterin signing off on the internet computer, these are the things that are going to bring other big influencers, or big names, not just crypto influencers, but big names of the industry like Vitalik. I know Charles Hoskinson probably isn't going to be on board, but man, if Justin Sun was still at TRX, then that too. So we're just in a very, very good place, because once that Bitcoin integration goes live, that is going to bring legitimacy, real legitimacy to the internet computer. Why? Because now it can interact with Bitcoin on the Bitcoin blockchain, which is something no other crypto can do without the help of a bridge. So this is going to be revolutionary, and it's why people's eyes, in my opinion, are really turning towards it, because it's actually starting to be implemented in the test net and moved over to the mainnet very soon. And that's what we're waiting for, honestly, is just that confirmation. And it's okay that they take a while longer if they need to get things figured out, because we're in the dead low of the bear market. Be strategic when you release these things, if it helps. If not, if it's more strategic to do it now, they probably know better than we do. So maybe not, though. It is about the people, so that's why it's cool to have governance and voting. So then we might be able to I don't think we can make decisions like that, though. Have you ever seen stuff like that on the governance? I don't think I've ever seen that, like on the voting, where it actually tells us stuff like that. So let's see what you guys are saying. Prices looking kind of close today. Which way it goes, we may know soon. I'm thinking it's going to go up. Well, the cool thing is we did close above $5. That's what I was kind of worried about. If we did close below $5, it could have been bad. But I was actually hoping we go up to about $5.50 before it closed, but that didn't happen. So hopefully it goes up. Let's look at the charts and we'll see. We'll know a little bit more. It's not going to give us 100%, but if only for a short time. Yeah, I agree. If we go up, we're going to have big resistance at $6. That was a massive, giant level of support. Remember all those Coinbase big buys that I was showing you like a few weeks when it was up at like the $6 to $6.50 range? Well, all of those guys are now in the loss. But if I was a whale and I bought that many at that price, I would definitely be loading up my bags at this lower price. So I'm definitely going to keep my eye on Coinbase big buy alert. We might look at that tonight as well, just to see if it is going to go up for the short term. Okay, at least it goes up at least minimum 6 and 9 max. So I don't think we're going to make it to 9 right now, just to be honest with you. Altcoins are taking a smashing, and I'm bullish, right? Like, I'm super bullish, but I have to be realistic to you guys. Like, there's some major resistance at $6 now. So yeah, but if we go up, it will be for a short time. And if we do break 6, that would be great. I just don't think that's going to happen with how much support it was. Now that means major resistance. Best place to click on the screen is that little thumbs up at the bottom. Go ahead. You know you want to. All right, so let's get into the charting now, because that's what you guys want to see today, is like, where is it really going to go? We had a weekly close, but where did it land on that weekly close? Are we okay? Is this like going to be it? This is a very crucial level, and it's going to decide a lot for us right here. So we're actually down to 39, rank number 39 now. Ooh, before we even get in, let's just go look at that real quick. Who beat us out? That's what I want to know. Is that really the FTX token above the internet computer? You got to be kidding me. A $3 billion market cap? No wonder they're able to manipulate crypto. Man, they got the money to do it. Look at that. $3 billion market cap. Plus SBF, that fool has some dough. I mean, yeah, with Alameda Research, and yeah, dude, wow. I can't believe that. Now, Stellar, that's a good one. I mean, I can see why that one's up there. You know, these guys, they pay a lot of money to get where they're at. Crypto.com, Kronos. You know, Monero, this might be considered a security very soon, and all these privacy coins, they're on the hit list of, you know, the SEC. So Near, oh, wow, I can't believe that one's above ICP. Algorand, yeah, that's legit. Quant, another, you know, medium cap gem. Is it getting smashed on lately? Only 8% down this week, not too bad. Bitcoin Cash. Toncoin? Seriously? What is that? I've never even heard of that one. Oh, heck no. Terra Classic is above it? Okay, what beat us out? Filecoin just beat us down? Hold on. Where is Internet Computer? Wait, it's number 40 now? So we just got beat down by Hobai. H-bar, I can see why. But we can take that spot back because there's a lot right at this level. So we were at 36. We're at a $1.6 billion market cap, and we've lost $300 million in the last, well, we were at 1.5 something. So we've lost about $200 million in the last week or so. That kind of sucks. But we're right there with Habai at number 40. Okay. Well, let's see where we're going to go, because they had a nice little recovery today. I like that. I like the little recovery we just had. It wasn't a massive one, but oh, this looks like a W. But I wanted that massive W to play out. It would have been way up here. See this? This, oh man, we missed this W. Instead of it going up, it went down. We could have started right here. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, whoops. Jeez. My mouse stuck. Wait, whoops. Yep. So that was a W, but that's not what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for this up to here, and then back down to here, and then it could have went up. It would have been a massive W. It played out with ACH exactly like that, what I was talking about, and then I saw it on ACH, and I was like, yeah, that. But instead of breaking to the upside with the W, it broke below this support right here that we had at about 575 because we had been wicking down to that. We had been closing at about 585 to 590 every single on the week on the weekly candle. So we basically were just smashing our support. And now we do have another W playing out. It looked like it already, hit its area right here. But it does look like we have a small ascending triangle. And let's see, even no inverse head and shoulder. Dang it. I mean, kind of. It could be. We could have an inverse head and shoulder if this goes down a little bit. But I would like to see an ascending triangle happen, which is pretty good. It goes all the way back here. We could have a nice ascending triangle. Forming right there. I mean, you could even bring it out a little bit. So that would be cool. And then stair step up, and then test this $6 level again, or 575 actually. It's going to be like 585 to about 650 probably. No, like 585 to like 620. Now let's go to the weekly and let's bust out some indicators and really get into this. I'm in shock, guys, because this is not what I wanted. But this could be a massive W. Look at that. It is a little bit lower over here, but geez, look at this. That is a massive W. Double bottom? Double bottom W right here? That's what I thought over here, though, too. See, I thought this was a bottom. This was a bottom. But now we can do the same thing with this is a bottom. And this is a bottom, and maybe blast off. So we could be in a good place for a reversal. Not saying that's what's going to happen, but we are in a good place to see a reversal. Now let's get these indicators out here, because that's going to be the only way we're going to be able to know if there is a reversal happening or possibly happening. So let's bust out a couple of EMAs, and the RSI is going to be the most important factor in this whole situation. And we are quite a ways below the simple moving average on the RSI. We are still very much oversold. Oversold, undersold, overbought. Gosh dang it. Why do I always... Oversold is up here. Undersold is here. That's what I meant. Undersold. Undersold, underbought. So, but we need to get above the 3143. See, I always get confused. Maybe I'm dyslexic in certain situations. I always get them backwards. Like, yeah, but we have to get above 31.43, which means we need a lot more volume. So what we need is something like this with 50 million ICP in volume, or, at least one of these, a 32 mil or a 25 mil. We need something like that to get us up out of the situation that we're in right now. If we start to get a massive amount of volume and then we break above this, and then, because we're not really confirmed underneath of this yet. We're starting to get to the point where it's going to confirm underneath if we don't get back above it. But we have not confirmed this as resistance yet. We just barely went below it right here. And we're kind of, touching it right now. So if we have a reversal, we could, and that W, pattern, this could be a good situation. So 572 is going to be our massive resistance, because that EMA 9 on the weekly is just super, super high. Okay, but the good thing is the EMA 21 is all the way down to 770. If you remember several weeks ago, it was up to $10.70. Got down to about $9, $8, and now it sits at $7.70. So the lower it gets, the easier it's going to be for us to take that level. It doesn't mean the resistance is going to be easier to break. It's just the resistance is lower, so we don't have to go quite as far up to break it. And even if we go back up to $9, then we break that level now. So, and that's the W. If we break out the W and go back up to this $9 level, like Amar was talking about, but we're going to have big resistance at this level first at around 575 to about 625, I would say. So that's definitely, let's get the Bollinger out, get rid of this guy for now. And let's just see, and then I'll check the chat again real quick, and then we'll get back into this because I want to know what you guys are thinking about, the charts right now. Okay, it is starting to open up, not necessarily in a good way, since we did just go down a bunch, but not too bad. We really need to establish about 650. If we can get above 650, then things are going to be really nice. And I think we're going to have some bullish momentum coming in very soon this week. I'm sure of it. Not financial advice, though. That's just me, myself, and I. So don't take that with a grain of salt. That's all I'm saying about that. But let's get into the daily now. But before we do, let's go back over to the chat. Yeah. Okay. Hey, fake news. What's up, man? Hola, senor. I used to live in Wyoming, and I had a lot of Mexican friends over there. So, we'd go to the place to hang out was the Mexican dances. That's why all the girls would be there. Okay. It's almost triangle. Okay. Oh no. Did my moderator? Okay, cool. You got rid of it. Thank you, moderators. Let's see. Fake news, buddy. What's up, dude? Motivational. What's up, man? Ooh, no way, dude. Our best friends here, Lay. Tom McWallet. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, D-Generation X is proud to bring to you Tom McWallet. We had a live stream one day, and he was saying something about atomic wallet, and I was like, who the hell is Tom McWallet? That's how Tom McWallet was born. That made my day. Just hide that. Yeah, you got it. So what do you guys think about the price action right now? You think this is, ICP is holding up good for altcoins? Because that's my argument. I mean, we can go in real quick, so let's do that, actually. Tom McWallet. Let's go in and just show you a little bit that Internet Computer is just solid. Because if we look at some of our other favorites, like, Dirty Gertie, she done did us dirty, 8 cents. So it had a new all-time low. That's what I'm saying. Let's look at this. The last week. Internet Computer didn't have a new all-time low. Let's just say that. Okay, now let's go look at the weekly on Dirty Gertie. I still like Graph, don't get me wrong, but it's one of the best examples on how Internet Computer is awesome. Because other altcoins that are really good, I like to compare it to. I don't want to compare it to a garbage altcoin, right? So that's why I compare it to the Graph. It's a very solid coin, but it doesn't do anything like the Internet Computer. So look at that, all-time low. So the low before was 839. So it hit below there, went below. A new all-time low for the Graph. Okay, now maybe that's just a fluke. Is the Graph the only one? Well, let's go check out AMP. Another one of the channel favorites. Okay, let's take this thing to the candle, then take it to the weekly. And there you have it, folks. Actually, let's hold sideways pretty good at the lowest level ever. So there's a lot of volume coming in for it to go down. That don't make a whole lot of sense. Look at all that volume. 3.742 billion. And it still went down. So someone must have dumped it. I don't know. That's crazy. Algorand. Let's look at Algorand. I mean, a lot of them got just hit. They hit. Algorand. Let's see if it went and hit a new all-time low. Well, no, I don't think it did. Algorand, actually, this year is up pretty high, I think, compared to previous years. It's been around for a while, though. Yeah, because it's been lower before. But as for this bear market, it still proves my point. It just hit another low in this bear market. Internet computer didn't. This is the low at 460. We only went down to 464. We did not hit a new low, and a lot of these cryptos hit a very hardcore new low. So let's go all the way to the 30-minute. Wait, are you guys on here with me? Okay. All the way down to the 30-minute. Oh, man, RSI, get your butt back down there. Okay, let's get her done. All right. Ooh, okay. Ooh, look at that guy. We went all the way up a nice pump. Started to level off right here, turn into a bit of an ascending triangle. We had a breakdown to the downside, which actually could touch the bottom of this triangle. Check this out. And we actually have a big ascending triangle still. That still is within the pattern. And it just touched. Ooh, come on now. Right when I said that. But, okay, we had that. But, I would say, right there, we have some nice support anywhere from right here to kind of up a little bit. There is support. So, and this Bollinger might just hold right now. And we go back up. So if it breaks below the Bollinger here, then we could go all the way down to about 484. There is some support right here at about 88. But this looks like a nice ascending triangle that's testing the bottom part of the triangle. You could do it like that. Or you could do it like that. Then it becomes that stair stepper type thing that we saw with ACH. I don't know what that is. That's breaking. That's probably the Fibonacci type deal, right? It's breaking Fibonacci levels. That's what's happening right here. That's like a Fibonacci level break. Fibonacci level break down. Now we're holding on. Yes, there's support right here on the Bollinger on the 30-minute at 496. So that's good. We have a little bit of support right here at 496. Okay, so the 30 minutes looking pretty decent. It does look like it could be a possible rising wedge as well, though. So we need to be aware of that, which could be a negative sign. But on the hour, we're looking a little bit better. So still, it could be either a rising wedge or some kind of a symmetrical triangle. But we are opening the top of the Bollinger here, testing support on the EMA 9 right now. So there is support right there on the lower time frames. And then even if we go low, yep, there's going to be support between 488 and 491. Whoa, did that just go all the way down to 492? No, that's where this is. Okay. I was like, dude, it just went away. No, but there is some nice support right here. But we are starting to get oversold up here. Hold on. Yeah. Wait, why is this like that? Hold on. Nope, didn't want to do that. Whoops. What just happened here? Where did it go? I have 3 of them, but where is it? What the heck, dude? I just accidentally got rid of the RSI and now I can't get it back. That was so weird. I don't know what I did to it. I pressed this button right here. Collapse pane. Okay, so how do I uncollapse it then? Is that it? No, I don't know, man. But we did get oversold a lot here, and we're actually testing a nice support level, just like we said right here. This is a nice support level at about $4.96 on the lower time frames. This is looking pretty decent, guys. I think we're going to hold right here. Yeah, and more of this. So this actually could start to, that inverse head and shoulders played out. Yeah, baby. This 4 hour had a nice inverse head and shoulders right here. Look at that, baby. Broke out. This is the head, shoulder, shoulder. Breakout. Blam. Nice. Testing the top of the Bollinger here. We do need to get some support. Oh, there it is. Okay, now I can get the EMA out. Yeah. Okay. So we're definitely above that at 493. Let's look at the 21 now. So we're actually in a good position to make a move to the upside. But there is a lot of bearish momentum happening. Yeah, we're above the 21 like a savage. Okay. Now let's look at the 50. 50. Okay, the 50, we are right below the 50. It's at 497. That is going to be our resistance. We're basically right in this kind of area, box area. So that actually might be a little bit of support, actually. I don't think that's not resistance. I think we have resistance, well, right about $5, though. You may at 497. Yeah, it's right there, man. Just kind of crazy. It's kind of dead even, is what I'm saying. All right, let's look at the daily now. This is where nice little W pattern here, though. And if we can continue on and have like some sort of a ascending triangle right here, that would be great on the daily. So that's what we want to see on the daily, is this ascending triangle. And that's all the way up at 507. What was that 507? Remember that? Was that the EMA 50 on the 4 hour, I believe? So that's dead on. That's cool. And we're we're undersold here. Almost at the bottom. So yeah, and we're above the simple moving average. Things are looking really good. Now let's get some Fibonacci retracements out here, and just see where we could possibly end up. Okay, there's our big level. Okay, if we can break that $6 level, that's the golden ratio right here, which would bring us to the top of the Bollinger. But we have a lot, of resistance at, 5. Yeah, look at that. The fib retracement goes right with those lines I was drawing, guys. Look at that perfectly. So all these things correlate together, and this is, the golden ratio right here at 6,643. So 518, 532, 542, 553, 560, and then 643. Now let's reverse the situation if we do have further pullbacks, possibly where that could go. Okay, and that's the bottom of the Bollinger, which is going to be a new all-time low and $4.38. And I don't think that's going to happen, but that is a definite possibility in the bear market. I actually think we're going to have a recovery right now, and we are going to go up and touch about 550, in my opinion. That's just my educated guess. If we do get rejected and we break below about 465, then we are going to continue down further. But if we hold about 460, then it'll just be another reversal, touchdown reversal. So, but as you see, it's only wicking down to this level and then closing right up here at about 485. So that's good. If we would have closed down at here at about 460, we probably would have ended up with a candle bar going down that low. And yeah, we would have been in bad shape. So things are looking decent in, kind of a crappy area. So I think that's about all we're going to have for today. That's about the TA we have. The shorter time frames are reaching an area where they're getting a bit oversold. So it cooled off a little bit. So hopefully we can re-oomph and take that level back. We need to be able to get above $5, which is good because we closed above it. That is what's going to hold us solid. If we would have closed below $5, I think, even $4.99 would have been okay. Like I'm talking, if we would have closed at $4.80, we would have been in a very bad way. But holding that level, I think it solidifies our level and more than that. So today was just a TA video. And we're going to continue to maybe play video games on internet computer Web3. Somebody asked me if I wanted to play Cubetopia. I don't know a whole lot about what they want me to do or anything, or if they're just asking me to play the game. I don't know yet. But there's going to be more Web3 gaming, more blogs, more giveaways. Yesterday, I still am giving a baby, not a baby air off, Kip Ugly NFT to the best comment about a certain thing. Nobody participated, so I'm not going to give it away. But we will give away a Kip Ugly. That is our goal. So I think, what is today? Today's Sunday. I think we'll give it away live tomorrow. So show up tomorrow night with your best NFT-related comment, question, limerick, or something, and you can win an NFT from Kip Ugly. All right, guys. That being said, goodbye and good Bitcoin.